I actually thought that a lot of the classes would just be like notes. I would just be sitting down and I just wouldn't be doing anything except, just listening. But I got to do a lot of hands-on stuff. I got to talk to a lot of people. They gave me a lot of time to experience new things. So that's one thing that definitely surprised me.
I think it surprised me like how much I actually enjoyed the classes. Because I think originally I was like 3-hour college classes, like that's really long. But I think it surprised me how fast it actually went by when you're actually interested in what you're talking about. It didn't feel that long.
The teaching style of the professors here at the program was really engaging and promoted active learning in the sense that each teacher provided different activities that helped us immerse ourselves. I thought Professor Wee's leadership and management program was really helpful to me in understanding the science behind leadership and mentorship and running a business. And one activity that he did that I thought was really helpful was simulating a helicopter crash and working with a team to build the best set of items to help get out of that. And I thought that was really engaging.
I think the case competition challenged us in a lot of ways. I've never done anything like it. And me and my group mates got closer while doing the case challenge. It was super interesting to analyze a company and actually dive into a real world problem and come up with solutions for it.
As you go through it, you learn not only how to lead, but also how to work with your team and also how to actually develop the ideas for your case competition. That's stuff that no one has taught me before, and I really felt like I could use this in the future. I definitely felt myself grow as a person.
I know it's 2 weeks out of the summer and it's kind of back to school, but it's probably the best 2 weeks of school I've ever gone through, and it's gonna help me so much more in the long run.